Answering the $1 million question. क्या खाता हूँ to maintain a physique like this? I think पाकिस्तान की fitness scene में, especially for young people, if someone was to ask me, the biggest issue is, and what's the one question that's asked the most, especially मुझसे, is कि what do I eat? How do you diet? Beans भी देते हैं, हाँ. What do I eat and how do I meet my protein intake, and then क्या कहते खाना is so difficult, खाया नहीं जाता. Well, आज I'm gonna be showing you guys what I eat in a day. तो सबसे पहले तो अभी तो we ran out of eggs. तो usually, let me show you guys real quick. So I have kebab, paratha, and I have a bowl of beans with chai. अच्छा, usually यहाँ पे kebab के बजाय there is eggs. So I'll have an omelette. 4 अंडों का omelette खाऊंगा मैं. So this is for my breakfast. Also एक चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है that you guys need to know is, especially eating becomes way more easier when you have a nice routine, meaning कि मतलब you wake up early in the morning, you get a nice breakfast and like around 10, 9ish, 10ish भी कर लें, चलें 11ish भी कर लें, get a good solid breakfast, and then उसके बाद around 1 and 2 वापस आप एक मील खाएं, then जिम जाएं, then उसका जिम के बाद मील खाएं, depending like pre and post. I don't know what time you guys go, हर बंदे के लिए अलग होता है, and then रात में get a good dinner in. But ये सब तब शुरू होता है when you wake up early. इससे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. A lot of people, if you have like a bad sleeping schedule, so eating and like having a good diet or being able to eat a lot is going to be very difficult for you. So this was the first meal of the day. आज मैं push करूँगा. So the next shot is probably going to be us getting ready for the gym, and I'll see you there. A lot of people ask me what I keep in my gym bag, and honestly, मैं सिर्फ it heavily varies on the day. तो जैसे अगर मेरा pull day होगा and मुझे deadlifts करनी है तो फिर मैं belt रखता हूँ अपने साथ. Then अगर मेरा pull day है जिसमें मुझे pull-ups या weighted चीज़ें करनी है तो then I'll keep my chain वाली belt जो होती है जिसपे you can add weights. फिर उसके बाद अगर मेरा normal like जैसे आज मेरा second push day है उसके अंदर I usually don't need much, like I don't need a belt or anything. Straps मैं यूज़ करता हूँ नहीं जो wrist वाले होते हैं. तो मेरा सिर्फ मेरे बैग में मेरी पानी की बोतल होती है. I obviously have my equipment, I have my handy, मेरा जीवन साथी, my tripod. Honestly नहीं, वैसे Tripods have done a lot for me in life. मेरी बीवी मुझसे अगर पूछेगी ना तुम्हारा पहला प्यार अगर कोई थी तो कौन थी? Tripod थी वो. थी बना दिया. उसके बाद then I have my पानी की बोतल. Keeping yourself hydrated is super important. And then freaking deodorants, bro. Underarm spray and then just a casual deodorant, in case I feel like I'm sweating too much. तो hygiene बहुत ज़रूरी है. You need to be aware of your surroundings. The way you smell, it not only matters to you, it matters to others as well. Because अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हैं तो आप अपनी खुशबुएं फैला रहे हैं दुनिया में. So you need to make sure that आप अच्छी खुशबुएं फैला रहे हैं, बुरी खुशबुएं नहीं फैला रहे. For as what I'm going to be wearing today, the outfit of the day is going to be this maroon shirt from my merch launch. In case अगर आप पहली बार वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो आपके भाई ने बड़ी मेहनत करके फाइनली हर एथलीट की ड्रीम अपनी जिम वेयर line drop करना. I dropped my own and this is one of my favorites from the drop. Is the Superman maroon compression tee. I'm gonna wear this and let's head to the gym. यार we're ready. compression पहन लिए तो अभी से लग रहा है पम्प जो है ना आ चुका है and अब हम जाके करेंगे push off with we're starting off with incline. आज मेरा second push day है तो I'm gonna do incline. Probably press is gonna be my main movement. What? Why are you looking at me like that? Oh, is that, were you doing this? So first set, boys, we're gonna go for 70 kgs. I'll try to get like 10 reps and मुझे खुद idea नहीं है मैं कितने करने वाला हूँ. Oh my god, I'm such a dumbass. एक जगह 25 डाला एक जगह 20. Was easy 8 reps. I think मैं probably अब this set आपने खुद देखा was relatively easy. ये मेरा पहला set था तो I think मैं 10 kg की तो गुंजाइश है कि मैं 10 डालूं for the second and third set. I've increased the weight to 90 kgs. Probably मुझे लग रहा है I'll get like 4 in. Easy है easy है मसला नहीं. Thank you. I'll get like क्या कहते हैं hopefully I'll get 4 in. मुझे खुद idea नहीं है.
Bro, my calculator is so accurate. You know, the best thing is if you've been working out for so long, आपका like खुद एक accuracy इतनी आ जाती है that you know how much you're gonna lift. अब जैसे मुझे आइडिया था 4 मेरे निकल जाएंगे, लिटरली 4 ही निकले, 5 पे I would have died. Oh bhai. Second exercise, I'm gonna go with chest flies. I'm gonna basically इसको flat chest press के लिए replace कर रहा हूँ. Let's go for pressing movement. Yeah, it is working. Okay. चीज़ जो मैं बहुत बोलता हूँ is that body weight movements I feel like in my opinion are superior. पुशअप्स करो, 1000 किस्म के पुशअप हैं यार. हिंदी बनाए, स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट, कोविड का टाइम था, जिम्स तो सारे बंद थे, तो चाहता मैं भी बहाना लेके बैठ जाता. इफ़ यू कैन कंट्रोल योर बॉडी वेट दैट इज़ वेरी इंप्रेसिव. इसीलिए फॉर पीपल हु डोंट हैव एक्सेस टू अ जिम, मैंने लिटरली 50 किस्म के पुशअप करता था मैं. आई शुड दिस रूटीन ऑफ 250 पुशअप्स. इफ यू गाइस वांट आई मेक अ वीडियो ऑन इट. उनको घर पे करना है. एंड बस अलग अलग किस्म के पुशअप्स करता था मैं. एंड मेरे पास 2 kg के डंबल थे. आई शुड डू 50 reps, 100 reps, लो वेट मोर वॉल्यूम. तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगेन कमिंग बैक टू माई पॉइंट, आई फील लाइक डिप्स हो गए, पुलअप्स हो गए, ये मूवमेंट जो है ना बड़ी ज़रूरी है. मेरी बैक में फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम ग्रोथ रुक गई थी. मुझे फील हो रहा था माई बैक वॉज माई वीकेस्ट पॉइंट. एंड उसके बाद स्टार्ट स्पैमिंग पुलअप्स ब्रो. आई डू बॉडी वेट, आई डू वेटेड. एंड देन उसके बाद जो मेरी ग्रोथ मेरी बैक की बड़ी है, रिमार्केबल, इनसेन. अब ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क आ गया. तो इसीलिए भी अभी आई डिड फॉर माई इंक्लाइन, वी डिड द इंक्लाइन बेंच, then we did some chest presses, and now I'm doing dips for my lower chest. And उसके बाद I'm just gonna finish chest right there, and then we're gonna start shoulders. Gimbal पे पहला posing. Let's see what we're working with. Arms do look fairly big. Cut side. I don't know if you can tell if that looks nice or not. But chest pump though looks pretty freaking solid, I can't lie. Ready for the third set, boys? You know, if someone were to ask me, what's the one exercise that I dread doing आजकल? Not exercise, actually, muscle group is probably shoulders, man. I hate training my shoulders. Even though I feel like a lot of people prefer training their shoulders, but it frustrates me. Especially shoulder press. The only movement that I actually like is barbell shoulder press. मैं उसको सेटअप करना बहुत ख्वारी है. तो आज बहुत टाइम बाद, I don't know कितने टाइम बाद I'm doing the dumbbell press. I'll try to go for maybe 8 reps. 22 पे करता हूँ. I'll see how I feel. Felt relatively easy. At this point of the video, a lot of you are probably watching it and thinking कि यार मेरा काफ़ी basic workout है. It is basic. It's all about consistency. It's all about doing the right amount of exercises, right amount of volume. कोई फ़ायदा नहीं आप चेस्ट की 6 exercises करें जब आप 3 से you can get the optimal, muscle fatigue. तो अब मैं lateral raises करूँगा for my shoulders, 4 sets, failures. So as basic as it gets. If you want big shoulders, you just need to spam. You कहते हैं spam lateral raises. मतलब that is the reality, bro. There is no secret way to it. It's just doing the same thing again and again. Form कोशिश करें. And lateral raises में एक चीज़ मैं अक्सर कह चुका हूँ is when you start feeling the burn in your shoulders, that's when you got to start pushing even more. Do those half reps. Completely exhaust your lateral heads out. My issue with push is that by the time I reach triceps, bro, I get so like bored and done with my workout. कि आजकल तो I even prefer like just maybe doing like 60-70 push-ups, diamond push-ups कर लूँगा मैं. So I'll probably do after this as well because I don't exactly enjoy hitting triceps unless मैं arms कर रहा हूँ. उसमें is the only time.
is now working. Boys, the mic is not working, तो मैं इसके mic से फ़िलहाल मैं charge करना भूल गया. So this is what we're gonna be eating अभी. सही है. ये खा रहे हैं. Oh my god, face tracking enabled है. Can you see? Roll खा रहा हूँ मैं 2. This has around 50 to 60 grams of protein, I think, if I'm not wrong. And honestly, I used to have grilled chicken पहले, but I got so annoyed by it. And roll का bro, there's something about it. I feel like it suits me really well and it's easier to eat than having grilled chicken in my opinion. Like मुझे taste भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. So this is my post workout meal. तो अब तक हम 4 ऑमलेट के साथ around 18 grams of protein, then इसको मिला के around 60, तो half way तो we're done already. उसके बाद I had beef के कबाब as well. उसके अंदर I had around I think like 15 grams of protein, तो roughly around 90 grams हमारे हो गए पूरे. अब मैं रात में जो खाना खाऊंगा उसमें जो भी चिकन या बीफ होगी, I'm gonna take around like 151 to 200 grams of that, then done. That's it. That's gonna be. तो देखेंगे रात में खाने में आज क्या बनाया मामा ने. जो भी होगी ग्रेवी थोड़ी कम लूँगा, चिकन ज़्यादा लूँगा, रोटी या चावल के साथ वो खाएंगे. And then that's it, bro. We have met our protein intake. अच्छा खाना खाया है, घर का खाना खाया है. It's that easy.
Oh yeah, welcome back to the Big Back channel.
Bro, this guy, bro, I saw a video of him.
That is not true. That was not
Bro,
me. It's not.
This
me.
guy's internet presence, bro, ये cookie के ऊपर ऐसे कर रहा है. Like that's crazy, bro. Over cookies?
Numbers.
बन रहा है. Wait, Munawwar इधर है.
Yeah.
Bro, Auntie Munawwar का पता है is my favorite cake.
It's a very freaky area to open a shop in.
Yeah, it is a very shady area. I can't lie. Oh, whoa. It's okay. It's okay, brother. Brother smoking a cigarette.
Yeah, वो
He's
बंदा
driving like a maniac. अगर तुम बनाओ
अभी हो जाता फिर क्या करते?
बहुत फनी होता, मैं रिकॉर्ड करता पूरा. व्हाट आई ईट इन अ डे अगर तुम बनाओ तो कितने घंटे की वीडियो होगी?
I don't need that much.
Stop the cap.
No, I'm genuinely not joking, bro. 4 days के अंदर all the progress I've made, ऐसा थोड़ी 4 days में lose जाइए. सही बात है.
बट अगर तुम वो 4 दिन भी लॉक इन रहते तो तुम और कितना आगे जा चुके होते.
सही बात है. रात को मैंने वीडियो देखी, वो कह रहा है उस वीडियो में मैंने बोला कि the workouts you miss and the cheating you do on your diet is just like delaying.
Exactly,
future
that's
you.
what I've been saying, bro.
Hello, you.
चलो खैर है कोई नहीं. अभी we're just going to sing to chill for a bit. उसके बाद फिर एंड में आप लोगों को मैं दिखाऊंगा कि what I have for dinner, which is probably going to be our final meal for the day. So this is going to be the final meal of our day. रोटी के साथ I'm having aloo gosht. This is around like I think 100 to 150 grams of beef. Maybe I'll add like 1 or 2 more piece. But ये मेरी final meal है. And with that, we're gonna end or what I eat in a day. I think roughly after having this, I'm gonna be at a staggering. I should be at like a 120 grams, which is how much I need right now for my body weight. As if in case the viewer doesn't know, कि per kg के हिसाब से होता है. So for how much you weigh
per kg you need to have 2 grams of protein. Let's say for example, if I weigh 60, so I need to have around 110 to 120 grams of protein. That's what you need to meet your protein intake. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if this was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one.